वेलकम एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद रोशन सर। इस वीडियो पे हम आपको मैथ, फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड वीडियो प्रोवाइड करेंगे और साथ ही प्रोवाइड करेंगे वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स की नॉलेज। हमारे चैनल की सारी वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Here we are going to continue with the chapter compound interest using formula. Before we start with the exercise, we'll learn few formulas over here. Here we have the formula for the amount when the interest is calculated half yearly. In this formula, rate is divided by 2 and hence this 100 became 200 and the time is multiplied by 2 because in 1 year there are 2 half years. And formula of amount for the compounded quarterly is A equals to P 1 plus R upon 400 to the power 4n. Here in a year we have 4 quarters, therefore the rate is divided by 4 and the time is multiplied by 4. Now here we will learn how to solve a question if we are having a different situation of times. Now here we are having 2 years time. In case of compounded yearly, it will be written as A equals to P in a bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power 2. Now in case of half yearly, it will be A equals to P in a bracket R plus 1 plus R upon 200 to the power 2 into 2, that will be 4. Now suppose if we are having a time of 2.5 years, in that case when compounded annually it is calculated as ना। यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि हमने 2 साल का जो फर्स्ट 2 ईयर्स है उसके लिए हम लोग ने ईयर का फॉर्मूला लगाया है और जो ये हाफ ईयर था उसके लिए हम लोग ने हाफ ईयरली का फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया है। नाउ अगर ये कम्प्लीटली हाफ ईयरली में निकालते हैं तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे, लेट्स सी इट। एंड इन दिस सिचुएशन A is equals to P in a bracket 1 plus R upon 200 to the power 2 into 5.2. Now let's move to the exercises. Here we go with the question number 1. If the interest is compounded half yearly, calculate the amount when the principal is rupees 7,400 and the rate is 5% per annum and the duration is 1 year. Here we are going to use this formula and now we are going to place the value of P, R and N. And we have got this. Now we'll solve for A and we have got this. Now we'll make a square of this one and we have solved and we have got this. Now here this is in 3 decimal places and as we all know that rupees is always in a 2 decimal place, so we are going to make a round off for this decimal place and as this was 5, so this will become 3 and here we get the final answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now let's see question number 3. Here in question, a man borrowed rupees 16,000 for 3 years under the following terms. 20% of the simple interest for the first 2 years and the 20% CI for the remaining 1 year on the amount due after 2 years. The interest being compounded half yearly and we have to find the total amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. So very first of all we'll find the SI for the 2 years and here we get for the first 2 years SI equals to 6,400 and on adding with the 16,000 we have got the amount that is equals to 22,400 rupees. And now this 22,400 rupees will become the principal for the 3rd year and there the compound interest will be calculated in a half yearly basis. And here we are going to use this formula and now we are going to place the value. And here on placing the values and solving it, we have got 27,104 as the amount due after the 3 years. Now let's see question number 5. Now here in question number 5, Ashok invests a certain sum of money at 20% per annum compounded and yearly and Geeta invests an equal amount of money at the same rate for the interest per annum compounded half yearly. If the Geeta gets rupees 33 more than Ashok in 18 months, calculate the money invested. For this, very first of all we are going to take the principal as X. Then we will calculate the amount earned by the Ashok हेयर अशोक का कैलकुलेशन ईयरली होना है और इनका टाइम 18 मंथ, 18 मंथ मतलब 1 ईयर एंड हाफ। सो 1 ईयर का हम लोग ईयरली के हिसाब से निकालेंगे और जो हाफ ईयर है उसको हम लोग हाफ ईयरली का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे। सो हेयर वी आर हैविंग 1 प्लस आर अपॉन 100 टू द पावर 1 फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर एंड 1 प्लस आर अपॉन 200 टू द पावर 2 into 1/2 for the half year. Now let's solve it. And here we get the principal amount for the Ashok, that is equals to 132 upon 100 P. Now we'll calculate the amount for the Geeta. Here in case of Geeta, the amount is calculated on a half yearly basis. So we are having R upon 200 into the power 2 into 3/2. Now we'll place the value of R and solve it. And here we get the value of amount which is being received by Geeta. Now in a question it has been given that Geeta earns 33 rupees more than Ashok. This means the difference of this number and this one is 33. So according to question, and here we get this. Now we'll solve for P. Now after taking LCM we have got this, then we have subtracted. Now we'll make a transpose to get the value of P as rupees 3000. Now in question number 6 we are having at what rate of interest per annum will the sum of rupees 62,500 earns a compound interest of 5,100 in 1 year. We have to find the interest to be compounded half yearly. We have to find the rate for this question. Very first of all we have to find the amount by adding principal and CI. Here we get the value of amount and now we'll find the rate. Here we are going to use the formula of half yearly. Now place the values of amount, principal and time. And here we have got this. Now we can see that both of them are having the same power. This means the base will be same. And by equating the base we get 1 plus R upon 200 equals to 26 upon 25. Now we'll solve for R. And here we get the final value of R as 8%. Here in question number 7, in what time will rupees 1500 yield 496.50 as compound interest at 20% per year compounded half yearly? Here we have to find the time. Again very first of all we will find the amount. By adding principal and CI we get 1996.50. Now we are going to use the formula of amount for the half yearly. Then we are going to place the value of amount, principal and rate. And on solving we have got this. Now this can be further solved by 15 and here we can see the base are same, therefore the powers will also same. And here we get 2n equals to 3, that is equals to 3/2, and we can write this one as 1 whole 1/2 years. Now let's see question number 9. Here in question number 9 you have to find the difference between the CI and SI on rupees 12,000 and in 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded yearly. So very first of all we are going to find the value of CI and SI. Here we get for SI equals to PRT upon 100 and now we are going to place the values and we get SI as 1800 rupees. Then the amount for SI will be, and here we get 13,800 and after getting the value of amount we'll go for the CI and here we get the value of amount by using this formula. Here for the first year we are going to use a formula for the compounded yearly and for the next half year we are going to use the formula for the half yearly. Now we are going to place the values over here and finally the amount is rupees 13,860. Now the difference between the CI and SI, we can even make a difference of this two amounts, and by the same we will be getting the same answer, or we can calculate the CI also. Now अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे CI आ गया है, हम अमाउंट से भी डिफरेंस निकालते तो भी सेम आंसर मिलता है, और अगर हम इन दोनों का भी डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो भी हमें सेम आंसर मिलेगा। अब जैसे कि हमें CI और SI का डिफरेंस निकालना है, तो अब हम लोग CI और SI का डिफरेंस निकाल लेते हैं, और हमारे पास आंसर आता है 60 रुपीज़ CI और SI का डिफरेंस होता है इफ़ वी कैलकुलेट द CI इन ईयरली बेसिस एंड SI over here. Now that's all for this video. हमारे वीडियो में यहाँ तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।